Mustang was. So the winning bid for the Mustang was $20,200. With the Copart and dealer fees, it came just a little shy of $21,000 brought to the shop. So now that we have a better idea of what the Mustang needs, let's get into the numbers and find out exactly why this car was totaled out. So you're probably wondering on why this car has a salvage title. So we're gonna get into the numbers and find out what the insurance quote was on getting this car back on the road. Get right into the undercarriage and show you exactly what this car needs, since we do have a better idea of what parts need to be replaced. The main part that we do need is the K-frame. Some of you may refer to this as the engine cradle. It basically supports the whole suspension to the body of the car, and we do have a used one right here on this pallet. We only paid $300 for this engine cradle, where the dealer charges over $1,000 for a new OEM K-frame. The Mustang GT350 Performance Package does have the upgraded suspension, so all of that is a bit more pricier than your standard GT. We got a really great price from the parts farm in Lyons, Georgia. Be sure to check them out, guys. They gave us a really great price on some of the parts. From there, we do know that we do need 2 engine mounts, and that came with our used engine cradle. So moving on from there, let's go into the cooling system. So the radiator alone from the dealer price is at over $250. We did get a really great price from JC Whitney on an aftermarket replacement. We only paid $200. Everything this car needs costs over $11,000 without the labor. So with labor included, I'm sure it would have been over $15K, which would completely total this car out. We got a really great price on our cooling system. We only spent $420 for the radiator, the condenser, and the fan assembly. That alone from the dealer cost over $1,500. If you go to price out each individual part, that's one of the reasons on why this car was totaled out. So, and for the engine cradle, the dash with the passenger airbag and the driver airbag, we only paid $875. It's a very great deal, so be sure to check them out. I will leave the link down in the description. The dashboard from the dealership prices at over $3,000, and see exactly what the condition of the dashboard is. The dash seems to be in perfect condition. There's no scratches or anything like that, and we got a very great price. We paid $150 for the complete dash and the airbag. They also included our engine mounts, which is a very good thing because we do have to replace both of our engine mounts. Let's get to this smaller box. They sure did put a lot of wrapping on this one. This must be expensive. That looks in great condition. Check out the pony. So I did want to get the GT350 airbag, but I couldn't pass the deal up on what they offered for this one. We only paid $225 for the driver airbag. That's a very great deal from the parts farm. Be sure to check them out.
Low battery, wrap it up.
Oh, that's it. If you do go pricing this front bumper from the dealership, it costs over $1,100. The bumper alone isn't so bad. It only prices at $239. But when you go to price out each individual grill, which we do have this upper grill, it prices at over $459 alone. And that's not including the lower grill with the fog lights. So the bumper alone from the dealership costs over $1,200. So we are thinking about replacing this bumper with the GT350 replica bumper. It only costs $630. So let us know in the comments if you think we should go with that route. That includes all of the mesh and all of the lower grills to complete the bumper. If not, you can get a used complete bumper with all of the grills for around $500. That's less than half of what the insurance quote would have got from the body shop. That's another reason why this car was totaled out with the salvage title. So we did go ahead and buy a used headlight on eBay for $500 and no broken tabs. It's in excellent condition. We are still waiting on that. The headlight alone from the dealer prices at over $13.99 because these are the HID xenon headlights and they do have the daylight running lights on them, so they are very pricey. So the fender isn't so bad on this car. It's only $247 from the dealer. So we are going to get the fender on order, and that's going to complete all of the body parts for the build. So I did forget to mention the heat exchanger for the supercharger. That alone is going to cost us $800, and that's really going to give the proper cooling for the supercharger. So as you guys can see right here, we do have an electrical problem. Some of our wires did get pinched and cut in the accident, so I have to repair some of that. I'm assuming that's what the body shop's quote was for the insurance company, was over $11,000 just in parts alone. That's without labor. This car has over $10,000 in aftermarket parts alone. So that is where I think we got a really great price, and it's going to be a very awesome build for the channel. So if you are new, be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned to see this car rip on the road. We are going to be repairing this car to OEM spec. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. If you are new to the channel, we got some awesome things on the way. Be sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it. Just guesstimating, I think the car is going to cost me around $25,000 before title registration. Stay tuned for more awesome builds like this, and we'll see you very soon.